Hi, this is Design Guy. Ready to level up your designs? I'll show you how to make eye-catching motion graphics in Canva. Click the Create button to start a new project. In the search bar, type Product to find available templates. From the results, select the product video template you want to use. This will open the template for editing. Go to the Elements tab on the left sidebar. In the search bar, type ice cream and press Enter. Browse through the results to find a suitable ice cream graphic. Once you find one you like, click on it to add it directly to your design canvas. Go to Graphics, click See All, and you'll be able to view and explore different available graphic styles here. Click the Insert Image button and choose the image you want. Once the image appears on your slide, position it as needed. Next, select the text box tool, then click anywhere on the slide to add your desired text next to the image. Type Delicious Ice Cream into the text field. Once your text is added, you can apply effects by selecting the Effects option from the toolbar. Browse through the available effects and choose one you like. Click to apply the effect. Adjust settings if needed to achieve your desired look for the text. Access advanced effects by opening the Effects panel from the main menu. Browse the available options, then drag your chosen effect onto your clip in the timeline. Adjust effect settings in the Properties panel to customize the look. Preview changes in real time as you edit. Select this option for our demonstration right now. To change the font color, highlight your text, click the font color icon in the toolbar, then select the color you want. Select the object, then apply a gradient fill from the Appearance Settings panel. Next, add animation by selecting your desired style, typewriter, ascend, or shift. You can explore additional animation options as well. Choose the effect that best fits your content to enhance visual engagement. Select the step you want to use, then click to add it to your timeline. Next, apply a pop effect to this step by choosing the pop animation from the Effects menu. After adding the effect, insert another slide by clicking the Add Slide button. This helps you organize your presentation and create engaging transitions between slides. First, duplicate the original image by right-clicking it and selecting Duplicate. Next, select the duplicated image. Now, copy this image by right-clicking again and choosing Copy. These steps will help you work with additional image copies efficiently. Drag the item to the desired location, then release your mouse button to drop it. This moves the item directly to the new position instantly. Select the text you want to copy, then copy it. Paste the copied text into the desired location. After pasting, click the Edit button to make any additional changes as needed. To return it to its original form, click the Reset button. This action will undo all changes and restore the settings or appearance back to default. You can also add underline to your text by selecting the text and clicking the underline button in the formatting toolbar above. To add more text, click inside the text box, type your new content, and press Enter to save changes. Type flavors into the search bar and press Enter to quickly find all related options in the list. Then, click the Add Text button to insert a new text box onto your project. Click the Add Title button, then type your desired title into the text field to name your project. Click the bullet list icon to format your text into bullet points. This helps organize your content and makes it easier to read. Next, select your text, then choose the Text Effects option to add visual effects such as shadows or outlines, for emphasis. To add a glow effect, first select the object you want to edit. Next, navigate to the Effects panel and choose the Glow option. Adjust the intensity and color settings to your preference. Once satisfied with the glow, click Apply to confirm the changes. Now, add animation by selecting the object and clicking the Animation Toolbar button. To align this object, first select it by clicking on it. Then, go to the toolbar and find the alignment options. Choose your preferred alignment to position the object exactly as needed. Click the play button at the beginning of the timeline to preview your project from the very start and check your edits. Preview the animation to ensure everything looks correct. Play the animation timeline to check for smooth transitions and accurate movements throughout the sequence. Add a Match and Move transition to see the result. Click the Transitions tab, find Match and Move, then drag it to your clip. Preview the effect to observe the transition's impact. Review your video, then click the Share button. In the menu that appears, select Download. Before downloading, check the quality settings if needed. Increase the resolution to enhance your MP4 video. Once you've adjusted the quality, click Download to save the finalized video to your device. Give your designs a boost with those Canva motion graphics tips. Like and subscribe for more awesome design tricks.